Insufficient relevant content to generate news broadcast script. Insufficient relevant content to generate news broadcast script. Bitcoin price surpasses $100,000 mark. December 11, 2024. Key points. 1. Cryptocurrency analyst Alex Krüger believes that Bitcoin is in a super cycle and still has a few months before reaching a local peak. He stated that due to anticipated changes in the regulatory environment, Bitcoin's fundamentals are different from previous cycles. 2. Following Donald Trump's election as President of the United States, he is expected to appoint pro-cryptocurrency figures to his cabinet, which will lead U.S. regulatory agencies to embrace Bitcoin. Krüger considers this market shift to be historically rare and comparable to the transformation of the gold market in the 1970s. 3. Although a significant local peak may occur around March, Krüger indicated that this does not signify the start of a bear market. He believes that Bitcoin bull markets typically last for several months, and it is still too early to make such predictions. 4. MicroStrategy's executive chairman Michael Saylor reiterated his bullish stance on Bitcoin, advising investors to regularly purchase Bitcoin and hold it as a long-term asset. 5. The price of Bitcoin has surpassed the $100,000 mark, marking an important milestone. Analysts predict that Bitcoin's price may further rise to between $104,000 and $105,000. In summary, despite potential short-term adjustments, experts generally agree that Bitcoin is in a super cycle, with significant room for price increases in the future. Investors should consider holding Bitcoin long-term and making regular purchases to maximize returns. Insufficient relevant content to generate news broadcast script. 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 Briefing content. Topic: Cryptocurrency companies facing bank account closures. Key information points. 1. Cryptocurrency company Eco faced tightened compliance requirements from banks, ultimately being forced to shut down its operations. 2. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong called for the industry to avoid working with law firms that have previously held regulatory positions at the SEC, believing they have harmed the cryptocurrency sector during their tenure. 3. Cryptocurrency companies have long struggled to find and maintain bank accounts in the U.S., leading to frustration among entrepreneurs who accuse the government of deliberately suppressing the industry. Summary. The article describes the challenges cryptocurrency companies face in the U.S. regarding bank account closures. Eco's experience with tightened compliance requirements highlights the regulatory pressure on the industry. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong's call for the industry to refrain from collaborating with former regulatory lawyers reflects concerns about the impact of such figures on the sector. Overall, the article illustrates the difficulties cryptocurrency companies encounter in maintaining banking relationships in the U.S. and the tensions between the industry and regulatory agencies. Insufficient relevant content to generate news broadcast script. The following is a briefing summarizing the core information from multiple articles. Gavin Wood briefing. 1. Gavin Wood is one of the co-founders of Ethereum and is considered a significant figure in the blockchain technology field. His contributions to Ethereum include the development of the Solidity programming language and the Polkadot cross-chain protocol. 2. Recently, Gavin Wood published an article on his personal blog discussing the future directions of blockchain technology. He believes that blockchain should focus on improving scalability, interoperability, and security to meet the needs of enterprises and governments. 3. The article also mentions that Gavin Wood is working to promote the development of the Polkadot ecosystem, hoping to achieve widespread adoption of blockchain applications through cross-chain technology. He envisions Polkadot as the internet connecting different blockchains. 4. Additionally, the article highlights Gavin Wood's other projects in the cryptocurrency space, such as Parity Technologies and the Web3 Foundation, which aim to standardize and implement blockchain technology. 5. Overall, Gavin Wood is a key figure in the blockchain technology field, and his insights and practices significantly influence its development. He will continue to focus on enhancing the practicality of blockchain technology and promoting its widespread application in enterprises and government. December 11, 2024, briefing, Joseph Lubin. Joseph Lubin is a co-founder of the Ethereum blockchain computing platform and the founder of Consensys, one of the largest and fastest-growing companies in the blockchain technology sector, dedicated to developing developer tools, decentralized applications, and solutions for enterprises and governments utilizing Ethereum. Lubin graduated from Princeton University with a degree in electrical engineering and computer science. Prior to this, he worked at companies such as the Princeton Robotics Lab, Tom and Dandy Music Company, and Vision Applications Incorporated, focusing on research and development in autonomous mobile robotics, machine vision, and artificial neural networks. As a software engineer and consultant, Lubin also participated in the Identris project and worked with partners to establish a hedge fund. He served as the director of the New York office of Blacksmith Software Consulting and as a technology vice president in Goldman Sachs' Private Wealth Management division. Throughout these experiences, Lubin focused on the intersection of cryptography, engineering, and finance. He later transitioned to the music industry, working in Kingston, Jamaica, for 2 years. In January 2014, Lubin co-founded the Ethereum project and has since been dedicated to the development of Ethereum and Consensys. Consensys is a blockchain startup studio based in New York, with a global network of top entrepreneurs, computer scientists, software developers, and enterprise delivery experts. Consensys is leveraging the power of Ethereum to build developer tools, decentralized applications, and solutions for enterprises and governments. Lubin believes, the spark of building exists within each of us. This is the essence of existence: I build, therefore I am. Insufficient relevant content to generate news broadcast script. Briefing. On December 11, 2024, Andreas M. Antonopoulos participated in a podcast discussing the game Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is a play-to-earn game based on the Ethereum blockchain that has garnered significant attention in places like the Philippines. The game allows players to buy, borrow, breed, and trade non-fungible token (NFT) characters called Axies and use them to battle. Many Filipinos have earned substantial income through Axie Infinity, with some even quitting their formal jobs. The rapid growth of Axie Infinity has sparked discussions about outsourcing work and geographical opportunity inequality. On one hand, it provides income opportunities far exceeding local economic levels for disadvantaged groups. On the other hand, it may be seen as wealthy countries exporting low-wage jobs to poorer nations. Is Axie Infinity a solution or a scam? Can it maintain long-term relevance and impact? These questions warrant further exploration. Overall, this podcast delves into the emerging play-to-earn model of Axie Infinity and engages in insightful discussions about its social implications.